Learn verb variations and Igbo meanings. We are going to learn verb variations. Remember, when we say verb variations, it means using a parent verb to change its meaning by either adding prefix or suffixes to change its meaning. Let's start. Igbo English. Number A, bite. Bite is our parent verb. Bite means borrow. That is why we underline it as our parent verb. We are going to change this bite to another form of verb by adding prefix or suffix. Let's start. Number B, ibite, to borrow. You have seen that we put e. We put our vowel letter e here before b. It becomes ibite, to borrow. Number C, bitere, borrowed. We add suffixes re. That is our suffixes. We add it to bite, it becomes bitere. Bitere means borrowed. Bitere is a past tense of bite. That is borrow. The number D, bite carrier, borrow much. You have seen carrier here. We add a word, a complete word, carrier. Carrier is a word. We add it after the main verb bite. It becomes bite carrier, borrow much. The meaning. Number A, bite zuo, borrow complete. You can see that we put zuo. Zuo here means complete, while bite means borrow. We add this suffix zuo to bite. It becomes bite zuo, borrow complete. Number 3, na e bite is borrowing. When you hear na e or na a, it means auxiliary verb that shows present continuous tense. You can see it by ing. We add ing to this word to show that it is in present continuous tense. When you see a word in present continuous tense in English, it means the verb is in present continuous tense. That is why it is carrying ing. In Igbo, when you hear na e or na a with this hyphen, you know that the verb or the sentence is in present continuous. Something that is happening that time. Before you put any word here at the front, before you put any vowel at the front in na a or na e or ga e, you have to check the letter or the vowel letter after the consonant. Is it a light vowel or heavy vowel? If it is a heavy vowel like e, you put a in order to have a vowel agreement. Or if it is a light vowel here, you also put a light vowel before the consonant in order to have what we call vowel agreement. For example, na e bite is borrowing, is good. You cannot say na a bite, na a bite. It is not smooth because here is a heavy vowel after the consonant. So here must be a heavy vowel before the consonant. The same thing with number G, ga e bite, we borrow. Ga e here, we put a here because of this e, a heavy vowel after the consonant b. So what will be here before the consonant b must be a heavy vowel also. That's why we put a. So when you are writing, you consider all these things. So it becomes ga e bite, we borrow. Remember, when you hear ga in Igbo, it means future tense. Something that will happen, but not that time. Maybe later it will happen. Another one is number B, ga bite. Ga bite means go borrow. When you hear ga, ga, it is a command. We use ga to give instructions or command. Ga is different from ga. You can see it. Ga has double a. Ga bite, go borrow. Number he, gara bite, went and borrowed. You can see that here we have changed this verb a bite from bite borrow, to ibite, to borrow, bitere, borrowed, bite karịa, borrow much, bitezuo, borrow complete, na ebite is borrowing, ga ebite we borrow, ga bite go borrow, gara bite went and borrow. We have made this verb bite to vary in different forms, thereby having many kinds of verbs in Igbo. Follow us for more. Bye.